This chart right here on my screen is why I believe we are going to see a rally for the altcoins during Q4, basically the ember months for the altcoins. This chart is what we call the total 3, the crypto market cap for all the altcoins. This is all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and ETH. So we can say all the altcoins, every altcoin that was created, and this is their market cap. And one of the things we write here, exactly October 2023, where we saw a rally for most of the altcoins. As you can see, prices moved from 300 billion, right, to as high as the 800 billion. Currently, we have seen this little push to the downside, and currently we are holding the 50 EMA right here on the weekly. This is the weekly chart for the altcoin index, and we are about to see another bounce. Another reason also why we are bullish is this cycle theory, where we see that after every halving, we usually see a bull run. As you can see, after the second halving in 2020 or in 2018, we saw another bull run. After the third halving in 2020, we saw another bull run, and we have just had this halving right here in 2024, and we are expecting another bull run to occur. And so these are the reasons why I believe we are about to see another massive push to the upside. Time we saw prices push to the 50 EMA or the 200 EMA, we saw a reaction. As you can see right here in 2021, we saw prices push to the 50 EMA. We saw that massive reaction. Same thing right here in 2022. We saw prices push right here to the 50 EMA. We saw a massive bounce to the upside. And same thing right here. We saw prices move to the 200 weekly EMA right here for the total crypto market cap. We saw this bounce, and currently we are still seeing prices currently right here at the 50 EMA, and we are expecting some sort of bounce or a reaction to the upside. This is one of the major reasons why we are bullish during the ember month. So we are expecting minimum at least to see that bounce right here to the upside for the crypto or for the altcoins. On the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta, on the weekly time frame, Binance is the data. So to see our target right here for the ember months pump, take note this is for the ember months just alone. We are just going to draw right here our Fibonacci using our Fibonacci price prediction tool, drawing this right here from the top right here to the bottom, right? And as you can see right here, this is from the top of our Fibonacci tool. And as you can see, prices saw that bottom in 2022. We saw prices push as high as the 0.236 or the 136 Fibonacci level. Let's get this even to be more accurate. This was the bottom right here. So yes, we saw prices rally towards that 0.136 Fibonacci level right here for YFI. Since then, we have seen this trickle down even towards this bottom, right? So what are we expecting right here for YFI even towards the ember month? We are still expecting that we could still see prices rally towards the 0.136 Fibonacci level, which could be around that $17,000 level. So we could still see another minimum, at least a 250 to 300% pump right here for YFI during that ember period, where we are expecting that bounce in the total crypto market cap, and we are expecting to see inflows are coming right into the market. So we are expecting to see prices have this bounce towards the $17,000 level right here for YFI. So that's the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would continue to update you. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.